2, 3.
These
Go! Oh, both was same,
But
different colors.
this car wins and that car did not win.
All right, can you get?
Car wins.
So can you show people? People want to see what cars do you have and what colors do are? How do they look
This
like?
is green. This is yellow.
But are they same?
But
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Oh,
But
yes.
they're different colors, right?
Oh, okay.
Guys, do you know Lamborghini goes very fast?
Yes.
Storm?
All right. So which one won, Ridan?
This car and also and when there's a storm, guys, then also these Lamborghinis keep cats after the storm.
Oh, okay. All right. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Ridan. Let's race these cars. They are
guys.
cute. They are cute. Let's try, Ridan. Let's. They both are same. Let's try and race them. Get set, go. Whoops. They were sleeping, huh? Go get them back.
They're sleeping.
All right, come on. Get it over here. Get it over here. Let me repair them. Let me fix them.
Yeah, let's repair them.
Just okay.
Do you need some gas?
Oh, so they just come from here,
And do you need some gas?
and then you can elevate them. Then you can elevate them, and
How
now.
do we go down? We have to go backwards.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. And now I can repair the tires.
Okay.
And how about you? I think your tires are not working, so we need to fix it.
Some gas. So we go really
All
fast.
right, now I think they are ready to race. Now you can race them. Let's see if they win this
But I
time.
think they're pretend gas. They're just
All
toys.
right, 1, 2, 3. Whoop. All right. All right, you guys don't win. You guys don't win. You need to come and come here.
We want to win.
Oh no, better luck next time, guys.
Okay, let's race with this car and the school bus. And
Okay.
then we race with these cars.
All right. Oops. Ha 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 ha.
Let's repair them. Now your turn, guys.
All right. Let's get set. By the time Ridhan repairs them, we are going to race these two cars. Get set, go.
Okay, now take.
Wow, both of my cars won. Ridhan, go get them. Go get them. Go get them.
Now let's take a video.
Wow, those are wonderful and my favorite.
Ready? Okay, some gas. Some gas on the school bus. Repair the tires.
Okay,
Gas.
these
Repair,
two
repair.
cars come back.
After that.
Oops.
Okay.
All right,
Ready?
last chance, guys.
Go.
Oops.
What?
Mm-mm.
I knew these.
All right, now red and a green one, Ridhan. Come here. Get set, go. The red one wins.
This went up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
Anyways, you just get one chance, buddy, so the red wins. Because we have so many cars to race and we can't wait for our turn. So
Okay,
we need to
let's-
get going.
These are gonna go. Okay.
All right.
These might don't race. Okay. These might don't win. So don't go. Cars. No, not you. These are gonna go. Ready?
Oh.
Ready, set, go.
Whoa! The green one and the red one.
No,
Both.
right one went this way.
Yeah, but still, Ridan, they crossed the line.
This one wins. This one doesn't. Oh, we need just a little Mama just cut me back. Guys, look what this car has. Look. Do you see these tiny holes?
Yes. What are those?
I don't know. We can watch them. We can if the rain comes, then we can watch the rain.
Oh, okay.
So that's what it is.
All right, Ridan. Do you think you're going to race that? No. Let's race another small car.